Imagine closing the door on the outside world and stepping into a private jet, except you're still on the road. This is the 2026 Mercedes Sprinter VIP, a vehicle that transforms the idea of travel into an experience of status, comfort, and quiet power. Built on the legendary foundation of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, this isn't just a van. It's a rolling executive lounge designed for those who value privacy, presence, and prestige every time they move from one destination to the next. Let's talk about the price, because exclusivity always has a number attached to it. While a standard 2026 Sprinter starts far lower, a fully converted VIP edition can easily exceed $200,000 depending on customization, materials, and features. In markets like the Middle East and South Asia, pricing climbs even higher after duties and bespoke modifications. But this isn't simply transportation, it's an investment in image, comfort, and business-class mobility on four wheels. From the outside, the 2026 Sprinter VIP maintains a commanding yet understated presence. The tall roofline and extended wheelbase give it that unmistakable executive silhouette. Chrome accents, custom alloy wheels, tinted privacy glass, and sometimes a subtle body kit elevate it beyond commercial routes. It doesn't scream for attention. It commands it quietly, pulling up to five-star hotels or corporate headquarters with the confidence of something far more exclusive than a typical van. Step inside and the transformation is dramatic. The cabin feels closer to a luxury lounge than an automobile. Plush leather captain chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage functions recline at the touch of a button. Ambient LED lighting glows softly across suede headliners and wood or piano black trims. A large smart TV folds down from the ceiling, paired with premium surround sound, while a privacy partition separates passengers from the driver. Some configurations even include a minibar, coffee machine, or conference-style seating, turning long journeys into productive or indulgent experiences. Underneath all that luxury, the heart of the 2026 Sprinter VIP remains robust and dependable. Typically powered by a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, it delivers strong torque for confident highway cruising. It's not built for speed, but for effortless momentum. Even fully loaded, it moves with composure, offering enough power to merge and overtake without drama. On the road, the driving experience is surprisingly refined for a vehicle of this size. Advanced suspension tuning and improved insulation create a calm, almost floating sensation for passengers. From the driver's seat, visibility is excellent thanks to the elevated position, while steering feels controlled and stable. For passengers in the back, the ride is serene. Conversations stay private, phone calls stay clear, and outside noise fades into the background. Safety remains a core strength of the Sprinter platform. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, it blends commercial durability with modern intelligence. Multiple airbags, reinforced structure, and parking cameras add reassurance whether navigating tight city streets or cruising on open highways. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout. Up front, the infotainment system offers a large touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice control. In the rear cabin, touch panels allow passengers to adjust lighting, media, seat positions, and climate independently. USB ports, wireless charging pads, and Wi-Fi capability ensure everyone stays connected, productive, or entertained throughout the journey. Practicality might not be the first word that comes to mind with a VIP vehicle, but it's surprisingly versatile. The high roof allows passengers to move comfortably, while generous luggage space accommodates airport transfers or long-distance trips. For business executives, celebrities, diplomats, or high-end families, it serves as a mobile office, private retreat, and luxury shuttle all in one. Of course, no vehicle is perfect. Its size can make city parking challenging, fuel efficiency isn't its strongest trait, and the premium conversion cost places it far beyond mainstream buyers. Yet these are small compromises for what it delivers: presence, comfort, and exclusivity on a scale few road vehicles can match. In the end, the 2026 Mercedes Sprinter VIP stands out because it redefines what a van can be. It's for those who don't just travel, they arrive. For business leaders who need a moving boardroom, for VIP clients who demand discretion, and for families who refuse to compromise on luxury, this vehicle turns every mile into a first-class experience. It doesn't chase attention, it earns respect. And in a world where comfort and status matter more than ever, it stands in a class almost entirely its own.